Have you ever heard someone say, once your brain cells die, they never come back? For decades, scientists believed this as an unshakable truth. The idea that your brain, the most complex structure in the universe, slowly decays with age, and there's nothing you can do to stop it. But what if I told you that's not entirely true? Your brain might be more powerful and more alive than you think. Let's rewind a bit. In the early 20th century, scientists looked at the brain under microscopes and concluded that once neurons, brain cells, are gone, they're gone forever. Unlike skin or liver cells, neurons don't divide. So the idea of neurogenesis, or birth of new neurons, was rejected. But then, something shocking happened. In 1962, a scientist named Joseph Altman, working quietly at MIT, discovered newborn neurons in the brains of adult rats. His findings were revolutionary, but no one believed him. It took more than 30 years for the world to finally accept that he was right. By the 1990s, new experiments using advanced imaging confirmed something extraordinary. The adult human brain can grow new neurons, especially in a region called the hippocampus, the part responsible for memory and learning. Imagine that, your brain actually rebuilding itself while you're learning, sleeping, or even exercising. So yes, your brain cells can regenerate. But there's a catch. Neurogenesis isn't like a flood of new neurons pouring in every day. It's a delicate process, slow, limited, and deeply affected by how you live your life. Let's talk about what helps and what hurts. First, the good news. Exercise, especially aerobic activity like running or cycling, can increase blood flow to the brain, delivering oxygen and nutrients that spark the birth of new neurons. Studies show that people who exercise regularly have a larger hippocampus and better memory. Then comes sleep, your brain's repair factory. During deep sleep, your brain clears out toxins, stores memories, and even stimulates the growth of new brain cells. So when you pull all-nighters or sleep less than 6 hours a night, you're literally slowing down your brain's ability to renew itself. And then there's nutrition. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, like walnuts, fish, and flax seeds, are like fuel for your neurons. Meanwhile, chronic stress, junk food, and alcohol act like silent killers, damaging cells and shutting down neurogenesis. But there's something even more powerful than all of these: learning. Every time you learn something new, your brain creates and strengthens neural connections. It's like building new roads between cities, making communication faster and thinking sharper. When you stop learning, those connections fade. When you start again, your brain grows. So no matter your age, your brain is never truly stuck. It's constantly reshaping itself, a phenomenon called neuroplasticity. Now, let's face a hard truth. While the brain can regenerate, it can't fix everything. Severe injuries, neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's, or prolonged stress can still destroy neurons faster than they're replaced. But even in those cases, science is making progress. Researchers are exploring stem cell therapy, using blank cells that can transform into new neurons. Others are working on electrical stimulation and gene editing to restart dormant brain regions. The idea that we could one day heal the brain completely is no longer science fiction, it's science in progress. Think about it. Every time you read, learn, meditate, or even take a walk, your brain is quietly rebuilding itself. You are literally shaping your mind, neuron by neuron. So the next time someone says, "You can't teach an old brain new tricks," smile, because science disagrees. Your brain isn't dying with time. It's evolving, with every experience, every thought, every day.